Okay, this is the E4 problem with the replacement T1. This is about 2 weeks old, this bike. Well, the new replacement bike, this is it. And I've already changed the saddle to my own saddle. So this is a full battery. It's switched on. Let me see, off. Okay, on position. And now we turn it on and we have the E4 problem. So it comes on and now flashes E4. So you still have the lights, for example. The power is there still on the lights and all of that. But the problem is the E4. And if we look here, there is no power. Okay, and whether I change to PAS 1, PAS 2, PAS 3, either way, there's no power. Okay. So that's that one, and I've checked the cables here, and no cable looks good. It's not a tear, and also this cable here into the wheel, this one looks good too, as far as I know. So it looks intact, but I haven't taken it apart as yet. Okay, so this is the miles on it, 158 kilometers. Okay. Right, E4. So that's it.